To replace a photo with one from your computer or device, select the Photos icon in the left toolbar. Click the Upload Photo button and select Browse Files to upload images from your device. Select the image from your files and click Open to begin the upload. Here, you can see that my photo has been uploaded and can now be added to my project. Once you've uploaded the photo you want, select the image you'd like to replace in your project. You'll see a blue box around the photo you're wanting to replace. Then, click the Photos icon in the left toolbar. It might already be selected from your previous upload, so just click on the new photo you'd like to add. It will automatically insert to the correct place.